For those who are interested, a lot of folks have watched my video on my revolver timing. If you're interested, I have received the Taurus 44 Magnum back. They sent it in this box. I did not have the original box. They sent me a box. This is how it came shipped. It had a zip tie and some paperwork. Okay, so I'm going to pull it out. You can see they put an orange zip tie in the gun. They just put this orange zip tie in. This is how it came from Taurus to indicate that it was unloaded. Most factories, most companies have a process for that. So there it is unloaded. And here's the paperwork. Here's what it says, and I'll show it to you. It says areas of concern, cylinder timing, closing remarks, replaced existing. That's all it says, replaced existing. Replaced existing what? And they say that they test fired it with 10 rounds of Hornady 44 mag, 225 grain FTX. And I believe that. It looks like they fired the gun. That's fine. So here's the timeline, folks. I got in contact with Taurus on December 8th. They sent a return authorization on December 11th. Not bad timing. I got to mail this gun on December 15th because I had to go to a FedEx hub to mail it, which took me a few days to get to a hub because the nearest hub is 35 miles from me. They mailed this gun back to me on 1/22. It was postmarked 1/22, and I received it on 1/27. I have not had a chance to test this gun at the range. I've only tested it at home. I believe this gun is still out of time. I don't know what they replaced, but I don't think it's in time, and I'm going to shoot it today and find out. Here's what I think they did. This gun shot flawlessly in single action. It shot flawlessly in single action. We never had an issue. But shooting double action is where we got the timing issues, the shaved bullets, the off-center primer strikes. I believe, because this is a Magnum cartridge and most folks don't shoot big bores, whoever test fired this gun test fired it in single action. I don't care what you replaced. If you replaced the wrong part or you fixed nothing, this gun is not out of time in single action. So I'm going to go to the range today, shoot it in double action, see where the primer strikes are, and if I'm correct, I'll show you the primer strikes and we'll be sending this back to Taurus. So take a look, folks. Nice centered primer strikes. Everything looks great in single action. Okay, make sure this thing's focusing for y'all. Nice centered primer strikes. No issues in single action. And there's problem number one. We're going to wait 30 seconds and make sure that damn thing don't go off. That one went off at least. And another click. Why am I not shocked? Let's wait our 30 seconds again. All right. Round 4. And another click. Man, sometimes it hurts to be right. Let's wait another 30 seconds. All right, guys, round 5. Here we go. And another click. Let's wait another 30 seconds. That is the longest it has ever taken me to get through 5 shots in my life. And I want you to look at these primer strikes. Look how far off center they are. One out of 5 rounds went bang. 1 out of 5. Now, if you tested my gun in double action, you would have caught that. 1 out of 5 went bang. 4 out of 5. And look how off-center those primer strikes are. this gun is still out of time, and it's going back to the factory. So anyway, thanks for watching my saga, guys. And remember, when you fire one, if those primer strikes are like that, it's out of time.